Do you like the bags and the boxes and the paper better than the present? I think you only like them now. These are Charlie's first Christmas presents. Woohoo! Do you hear those noises? It's making noises. Charlie! Charlie, you see the train? You see the train? See the train?
Devin.
Ooh.
Hey, Doug.
Devin, you want your tractor?